Okay, this is a continuation of the feminine energy, feminine power, and conscious creativity. Was interrupted by a signal of the phone. And that may be a very good demonstration of how our space gets filled and how we choose to allow something to have roots and grow and exist or not. And what I just did is I took some time before I actually decided that I was going to give value or give life to this phone call, and ended my video um, and talked to the person and then came back. So, feminine power. It's really the power to choose. Choose what you give space to and what you don't. And what you give space to in your thoughts and become eventually things that are manifested. Thoughts in themselves are neutral. You can just observe them like you do clouds. I don't think you hold on to any clouds, but you may hold on to other things. So thoughts can be just like clouds. You can just let them go, just let them float on by. Or you can let them take seed and root in your space, and they will become. And as we're interacting with one another, there are many thoughts that are shared, many ideas, many words. You can do the same thing with those. You can let them come in and go out, or you can hold on to them and make them part of your life and your reality. This is a lot what's behind what Jesus is trying to teach in the Course in Miracles, and what is forgiveness. Forgiveness is letting it go and having your space available to you now in the moment for what you really want to have. Conscious creativity. Give yourself that quiet, open, empty space to feel, see, touch, hear, taste, smell what brings you joy. And then you just hold it, and it shall grow like an embryo and a baby within you. I offer you this insight with love and blessings, blessings, blessings.